Today we're gonna play chapter 1. Chapter 1, Escape a Soul. So, there is a hidden key and unlock this. So, we got a gun. We can spawn a gun. So, let's spawn a gun. Do this, guys. Before we are safe. Gun. Safe. We are safe, guys. Shoot.
Madulas ka dyan.
Shoot. Oh.
Kapay nawi ako namin. Silver niya ito. Eto ba?
Let's unlock chapter 2.
Naka-charge ka hindi ilan. Pakasin ba yun?
Wait, guys. Let's open this. Now we get so let's open this now and yeah. So there is the turf. So let's
Ati pa may pera na.
I forgot my gun. Hopefully I can just spawn it. Hopefully I can just spawn it. Spawn again. It's done, bro. I think we're done with chapter 1. So, we are gonna unlock this.
Kaya na ako mag-din ulit.
No. The video will end and ito one is